Most manufacturing requires highly skilled technicians to operate automated equipment. When you enroll in Mitchell Tech's Automation Engineering Technology program, you'll learn the best way to become an important part of today's manufacturing environment.
Automation engineering is working on mills, working on lathes, drawing up parts.
You get to learn everything about the machines, all the internals, and then you get to come onto the floor and learn the hands-on part.
So one time I was working on the mill and I had the Z-axis set way too high, so it was going down too fast into the part and just destroyed the bit.
In 2 years, you can learn the skills to take you from entry-level welder to automation engineering technician. Mitchell Tech's qualified, experienced instructors will help you learn the skills needed for this in-demand career.
I like to play with all the kinds of programs in SolidWorks. That's where I like it most, running the 3D product on the computer. You get to learn all the G-codes, all the computer programming inside the Haas machine. Spindle speed, all your measurements for your part are in G-code. And how the machine gets to the part to machine the part down is all to do with G-code. Automation engineering can take you a long ways in all kinds of industries. I mean, it's everywhere now, and it's growing and growing, and it's going to keep growing.
Success is at your fingertips. Check out Automation Engineering Technology at Mitchell Tech.